How to add text before every number in Excel. So if you want to add text before every number in Excel, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Excel document. After opening your Excel, now for example, here I have these numbers, right? So I want EN in front of each and every number. So in order to add the text before each and every number, you need to just select the number. After selecting, you need to go with the number section, which is right here, and then go with format, tap on the arrow, and from here you need to go with custom, and you need to go with the text, and you can enter the text. So make sure to enter double quotations for the text, and then if you have 2-digit number, then you can go with 2 hashtags, or 3-digit number for 3 hashtags. And after that, you need to go with OK, and that's it. That's how you can add text before every number in Excel. But for example, if you have different letters or different words, like for example, EN and RG, TY, something like this. If you have different letters and if you want to add these text to your number, then there is a way. You can just simply go with equals to concate, and after that select this cell and this cell. Make sure to first enter the brackets. Open the bracket, select this cell and this cell, and after that close the bracket and hit the enter. And once you close the bracket and hit the enter, then you will have your results. And now you can just simply select the first cell and you can drag, like here you will have the arrow, right? On the bottom right you will have the arrow. So you just need to simply drag it. Just double click and then drag, and that's it. That's how you can add text before every number in Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.